out, man. We got some different stuff going on today. We're gonna be using some tannerite. You know what I'm saying? A lot of you guys probably don't know what tannerite is. But hey man, y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna educate you guys, man. For sure, for sure. Alright, y'all, man. We're finna take some couple shots at the tannerite down there. You know what I'm saying? Man's missing.
My boy ain't hit nothing.
I guess he's gonna.
Dude, I can't even shoot that ball.
Alright, y'all, man. Y'all know, y'all boys seen what that Tanny Tan do. You know what I'm saying? So, that right there was just a little, you know, experiment. I was just testing it out, see, you know, how the Tan do. Tan is tanning, no cap. But, tannerite was made by Dan Tanner in the 1990s, you know what I'm saying? And it's an American invention, you know, and it's a chemical reaction to aluminum nitrate and powder aluminum foil or powder aluminum mixed together, and you got you some tan. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Y'all like and subscribe. It's just a little something. We just outside kicking the fan, you know what I'm saying? But like and subscribe, man. Y'all stay tuned.